Hello and welcome to Deval Designs. Oh no, don't judge me. This is my laundry room. I know. I also call this Bermuda Triangle of missing socks. Observe the natural habitat of these empty medicine bottles that are shoved in here. You can just see there are so many of them. Now, let's see how aggressively I have shoved, or maybe someone in my family has shoved, all these cleaning products. Just for now, I guess. This space has turned into a catch-all for everything. Medicines, paper products, travel supplies, cleaning stuff, and even dog items. Can you believe it? So today we are doing a full reset. No fancy bins, no expensive organizers, just decluttering, reorganizing, and making this actually functional. Let's start to fancify this space. I always start by taking everything out. Yes, it looks worse before it gets better, but this is the only way I can see what I actually have. I have repurchased some things I already owned because I couldn't see them. Anyway, but we are not doing that anymore. This cabinet holds medicines and first aid supplies, so I am checking expiration dates first. If it's expired, it's going out. If I haven't used it in years, it's going. Nothing humbles you faster than wiping down a cabinet you thought was clean. Okay, I just survived cleaning this big mess. I'm not joking when I say a big mess. Look at this. Look at all these medicine. It looks like a pharmacy. It is Deval Designs. Oh no. Deval Pharmacy. Let me go through this pile of medicine. I am finally tackling it because, don't judge me again, because I just found a cough syrup that expired during Obama's era. I swear, medicine cabinets are like tiny time capsules. You open one looking for Advil and suddenly you are emotionally confronted with 5 half-used cold medicine, mystery creams, and that one thermometer that may or may not work. So today, we are doing a full reset. I am sorting everything into keep, toss. Why do I even own this pile? Fun fact, last year I had a moment where I was frenetically digging through this cabinet at 2 a.m. because someone in my house had a fever. I was stressed, half asleep, and of course everything I needed was buried behind 17 random boxes. I promised myself we would never live like that again. Now everything is getting grouped by category. Pain relief together, first aid together, cold and flu together. We are creating systems today. There is something so satisfying about putting everything back neatly on the shelves. Like, tell me why this makes me feel like I have my life together. And just like that, calm, organized, and future me will be very grateful during the next 2 a.m. emergency. I am grouping everything by category: pain relief, cold and flu, first aid, vitamins, some other categories. I like to keep everyday items at eye level. Less used things higher up. It just makes life easier. This cabinet consists mainly of my laundry supplies, socks, and few cleaning products. I am planning to put all the laundry supplies that I'll need to do a quick laundry. I'm quickly taking out each and every items from the shelves, sorting them, making sure whatever works, whatever does not work, discarding things that I haven't used in a long time. And now I'll be giving a quick wipe, so this cabinet feels nice, clean and fresh. Alright, we need to talk about a laundry room catch-all drawer. You know, a drawer where things go when we don't emotionally have capacity to decide where they belong. I'm pretty sure this drawer has everything except what I'm actually looking for. Like, why is there a random screwdriver, some loose batteries, a lint drawer, scissors, Sharpies, I don't know, duster, maybe plastic bags. Oh my gosh, we are pulling everything out, sorting by category, and yes, we are being ruthless. If it does not belong in the laundry room, it is getting evicted immediately. No more, I'll deal with this later. Let's take a joke break. I saw a meme that said catch-all drawers are basically junk drawers with a rebrand. And honestly, I feel personally attacked. Now we are grouping things so future me can actually find stuff without digging like I am on an archaeological excavation. Where's my hat? And just like that, she's clean, she's organized, and most importantly, she is no longer emotionally overwhelming every time I open her. Going through cleaning products and sorting by categories and purging some. The ones I use weekly stay in front, backups go behind. That way I actually use things up instead of opening new bottles every time. I'm all by myself and cranking some Bollywood music out loud so I can work faster. Backup laundry supplies and extra hangers go in drawer under washer. Dirty rags, kitchen towels, and dry cleaning drop-offs go in the other drawer. This is a drying rack that I have installed on the wall. It folds flat and you can dry your workout clothes on it. Okay, moment of truth. You guys saw where we started, so please take a deep breath with me before we open this door, because she has had a full personality transformation. And welcome to the new and improved laundry room. Over here we have freshly cleared counter, which for the first time in its life can actually be used as counter. Inside the medicine cabinet, everything is labeled and sorted. No more late night panic digging through mystery bottles like I am on some medical game show. Moving down, we have a laundry cabinet featuring my personal favorite, the official bucket of missing sock. Because at this point, I'm convinced that the dryer is running some kind of underground sock trafficking ring. On the other side, we've got collection of shot glasses, and in other cabinet, I have paper products, and the next to it is travel gear, all organized, easy to grab. Future me You are so welcome. And can we please talk about this installed ironing board? The convenience, the efficiency, the way now I feel like responsible adult who will definitely iron regularly, even though we both know that's an aspirational. Honestly, this space just feels calm, functional, and way less chaotic than before. Mission accomplished. As you can all see, this feels so much calmer. Everything has a nice category. Everything is organized. The best thing is I did not buy anything fancy. None of those dryer sheet boxes, fancy tumblers and cans and all this stuff for the soap and softener. None of all of those items. All I did is I organized everything with whatever I had, and it looks amazing so far. I am so glad to see you guys here. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Until we meet again, love you. You take care. Ciao.